Karbi District KASS Lapen NASS Asaham Hanjang Langso Along Assam Agriculture University Vice Chancellor Nangka Humri Teke Langjun Bo et Be Arong Along Rihing Ame Kedak Pen B Ijon Kiti Kopai Keme Mule Datum Tang Telang Chintong Constituency Along Chintong MSC Cup Football Tournament Kepado Ponji Aphan Chisik Chidang Pon Tanglo Karbi Prime Time Long Pen Libertad Han Bang Thara Harmony Non Bertang Ton Pen Arjik Than Karbi Anglong District KASS Lapen NASS Asaham Hanjang Long So Along Preni Pa Enkoira Trok Arni Tili isi apor malam Jorhat Along Kedo Assam Agriculture University Vice Chancellor Dr. Kamal Mala Bujar Barwa Nangka Humri Aberta Kadus Perangke Bokajan Pen Bertanang Pale Assam Agriculture University Vice Chancellor Dr. Kamal Mala Bajur Barwa Karbi Anglong District Committee Krisak Adhikar Suraksha Samiti Lapen Nari Adhikar Suraksha Samiti Asaham Along Nangka Humri Alang lipan kangtum karne padopon tet api sai chutiki arat amai pita padopon labangso amai CB pen kachari pon amai along abarim Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Rajendra Rong Pipensi alui kapachini apor enlo labangso amai along Karbi Dimasa Rengma Manipuri Kuki Assamese Akhipen Chenglok Bangsuri si Suse Aradatum Chetongdun Dr. Kamal Mala Bajur Baruapen Lamthe Kijai Ponke Pirthe along Munit ke Nangchan Bomlo Lapen Longlea Banke Nangjum Bomlo Sai Chutiki Anat Kosona BTPNC Kiklem Pon Nangjima Lahai Aputa Klardak Pen Lamthe Kijai Pon Pado Along Lele Bihek Busedame Sok Han Hanso Lapen Biri Katiki Kepalong Ki Ongji Abidi Than Pare Tekang KASS Lapen NASS Amayalong Ho Or Ki Pipen Keklem Kidam Nangji Aputak RD Doklong Pen Lamthe Than Pachini Sai Chutiki Aradapan Aning Paong Pong Asusu Katiki Pon Nangji Aputak Ta Than Pajirmi Pon Pen Pinaan Asai Chutiki Aputak Chethan Chemum Padopon Pensi Mai Mesen Ingsamjin Pen Pachun Pon Teke Langjun Ahawar Bong et Be Arong Atowar Kokthom Kachetok Along Rihinga Me Kedak Pen Kacheleng Atowar Along Ari Keklo Ajok Kepangring Abi Ejon Kiti Abirta Prenipa Enkora Trok Ardi Kad News Along Birta Nang Pale Teke Langjun Ahawar Bor et Be Arong Towar Krong Thom Kachetok Along Rihinga Me Ari Kedak Pet Ajok Kepangring Abi Ejon Kiti Adung Arai Kido Muniratum Kopai Ki Me Parpik Ajok Rihinga Me Pen Joklo Labangso Towar Kai Kita Kidam Kemang Atum Doo Lasi Kepere Me Pen Kipa Jok Ji Aphan Asep Asai Kamatum Pen Ansosi Methang Asai Kachiklem Pameke Akinang Sot Busi Teke Langjun Ahawar Aratum Pen Ningje Renti Surhini la krenar kep aningkan apharman non ke bangji phaikoni achiklo ni phai crazy arni pen phaikoni ni phai inkoi arni an Chintong MSC constituency along Chintong MSC cup football tournament ke pado ponji aberta preni phai inkoi ra truck arni kadnus along berta nangpale labangso football ke pathu ke chipate ponji along all local committee ahin pensi chipate ponpo local committee ahin pen team ECC pathu ponji phaikoni ni phai crazy arni pen pathu ponji adim lake jaluk langteng pathu aklam Langtuk Apam Patu Aklam Rong Jangpong Patu Aklam Lamper Patu Aklam Hawang Patu Aklam Lapen Tili Patu Aklam Along Henlo Lapen Labangso Tournament Ke Pachunji Aphan VDC Chairman Khorsi Sinar Aphan Maipu Lapen Dhiraj Gautam Aphan Chunbang Arpu Pek Ponlo Anparta Dhonsing Bongrum Samson Rongphar Suresh Johan Lapen Khorsing Rongpi Atung Aphan Bangpu Arpu Pek Ponlo Non malam support hin bertamu tanpa neksena.
Kopili Family Restaurant, a fine dining restaurant, the most flavorable and exciting meals made with passion. Ethnic cuisine like Indian tandoori, Chinese, Pan-Asian and Karbi kitchen. Special food items like seafood dishes, fish and prawns are served. Pork special like barbecue pork spare ribs and Northeast-style pork curry. Wait! Not only this, Durga Puja special buffet starts from 17th and valid till 19th of October 2018. Also, the restaurant does catering order for parties, events, wedding, etc. It also offers free home delivery services. Distance and minimum order. Within 2 kilometers, rupees 500. 2 to 5 kilometers 700 and 7 to 10 kilometers rupees 2500. For queries and services, contact at 6901312934 or 6901312930. Gopili Family Restaurant, 4th floor, HRSJ Complex, Dharamnala Road, Diffu, near Bazar, India. Big sale! Up to 20% off on baby wear, 5% off on grocery items and 6% off on beauty and personal care. Also special Durga Puja offer on ladies and gents wear. To avail this opportunity, step in Saraswati Superstore right now. Home delivery services are available within 3 kilometers radius of Diffu. For more details and services, please contact at 70024 56806 or 9957 537019. Saraswati Superstore, MS Hans Enterprise, near Mamta Pharmacy, Diffu Main Market. Hurry up, hurry up! Hero Company gives you a beautiful opportunity to have any kind of scooty or bike with the best help of easy loan facility. Also, it will be covered up with best driving comfort, best mileage, easy spot finance, best looks, etc. Service, accessories and spare parts are available here. Please contact nearest authorized dealer. SMV Motors, opposite of DIG Bungalow, Diffu Manje Road, Karbi, Diffu. For more queries, please contact 9613731109 or 9101147818. J&J Mandu has come to twist your taste with ethnic traditional dishes, noodles, rice, main course, beverages, soups and many more. A restaurant that makes you feel alive and energized. You can be out there enjoying the things you love. Parties like wedding parties and birthday parties are also taken up. On any occasion, the order must be given at earliest time. For more queries, please contact 9435 925 116. J&J Amandu, Diffu, Karbi, Birla, near Bharat Petrol Pump. A family restaurant, a part of your family.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, upthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Come on, come on. Grand opening of Bazaar, India. A shopping mall consisting of various quality of gents wear, ladies wear, kids wear, and tremendous quality of household items, accessories, etc. Main Market, Old LIC Building, Karbi, Assam. Looking for your needs? Visit Bazaar India.
আজিকালি যিকোনো পাৰ্টি মানে কাঞ্চ জুচ বাই দি ৱেটো কমলাটো খাইছিলি না আনাৰসৰটো পাহাৰীয়া কমলা আৰু আনাৰসৰ পৰা তৈয়াৰ কৰা কাঞ্চ জুচ সম্পূৰ্ণ বিশুদ্ধ কাঞ্চ জুচ খাওক জীৱনৰ মজা লওক
কাঞ্চ জুচ
Dhinam upi putat bertalong bangtulung. West Karbi Hamrain pen kahilo kilometer narkep an socheng constituency. Langmet arong along. Langmet resunim so asong tumpen. Patirpi ponse Langmet Sarpo Winter Knockout Football Tournament. Kedam tang prinipa inkora pli arni pen kepatu pangcheng pon aberta. Prinipa inkora trok ardi kad news sa hemalong berta napali. Langmet Sarpo Winter Knockout Football Tournament kedam tang prinipa inkora pli arni pen man peng pen ali Sarpo Karbi Autonomous Council Rupsing Teron pensi pangcheng ponlo. Bangso arni Tirkim Football Club lapen Hamran Habe Football Club Angbongsi Kangpu Cheng arni patu pono. Labangso ke patu along hin ate rangta ball pumni chipi ajok. Puthot Tribigar pensi Tursi Tirkim Football Club atum. Ball pumni pen Hamran Habe Football Club atum phan paremlo. Langmet arong ningkan pharoi sisu se rong chukimlo pupen. Bining an chike patu anatu paprang dun nangji pusi. Mangsi Langmet risunimso asong atumpen patirpi ponsi. Maipu Prodip Kro Lapen Konchun Bang Bikrom Kro Atumpen Japon si rong arlota anso se pregjam asai amopen chenglok kepathua hin kepaprang du nangji aphansi bangso tournament kibi pon aputhak pachini Langmet arong along kepathu aklam lapen kacheleng atowar keselam bom apot Maipu Prodip Kro pen Karbi Autonomous Council Rupsing Teron aphan kachoro alamte pajir Labangso ke batu along ali Sarpo aman pen kecetong dun Rupsing Teron pen lamthe kejai tikangke Langmet patu aklam along open stage kalisita community hall eson ma eson kikim PG aphan jai tekang
pengkelang cari pon lepari kote atum pandai tulang
Non Hedjong Bhubaneswar along CBSE KIIT International Swimming Competition Surihini Lakrinar Cap Aninkan Abha Kepadopon along Harogat Jonghar Terang arong American Rajan Terang Asopo Sarmen Terang Gold medal Kelongdun Aberta Karnus along Berta nang pale Kedam tang Prenify Krinar Cap Arni Pen Inkoira isi Arni an Nipli Aparman KIIT International School Pen Kepater Pipon along Harogat Johar Terang arong American Rajan Terang Asopo Sarmen Terang Bhubaneswar along Kepadopon CBSE KIIT International Swimming Competition along gold medal chepalong dunpen Karbi aphan nongme kewa Karbi prime time la pansikang ton poningla dome thakme kurwang thu